low mile, sharp looking Chevy. Just in it, unique, especially in classics. 1998 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Nice looking two-door coupe. Z34 model, by the way. Underneath the hood, 3800 V6. Very reliable, economical engine paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC does work. We'll also check out the interior, pop the hood, start it up, let you hear it run. Let's go ahead and check out this front fascia. Headlights looking good. This kind of year range, you see the fog, kind of fogged up headlights once in a while. This one looking good. Hard to believe this car would be 23, 24 years old already. Same family ownership since new. Original miles, low mile car, 45,600 and some odd miles. You can see the hood has had some little rock chips that have been touched up. Tell that it's well taken care of. And at the same time, you can also see the luster coming off the paint. Nice luster to it, good reflection. Shine to it, does show well. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, interior, engine bay, trunk, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on alloy wheels, Goodyear radial tires. Take a look up and down the side of this. You can see the car is nice and straight. The other thing I want to show is look above these wheel wells and around them. You don't see bubbling, rusting all the way down the bottom of the doors. Go ahead and check out. Same thing in the rear wheels. Does not appear this car's been driven in much for inclement weather, no doubt about that. Cloth interior, bucket seats, center console with a shift on the floor. Power glass sunroof or moonroof, whichever one you prefer. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Do have some light, I don't know if it's kind of light scratching or a little something that's actually kind of a plastic piece in the trunk, just showing some little bit of age there. Again, take a look at the reflection all the way to the front door off the side of that, so you can tell the black paint did shine up nicely for us. And again, with only 45,000 and some odd miles, you'd expect it to look like this. Take a look up and down. Driver's side, you do have a few. Here's one little, kind of see it there, one little ding, but not really broken through the paint or anything like that. And again, take a look around these wheel wells. There's pictures of the bottom of the doors. Check those out in the still pictures. Check out the underside. I think you're going to find the same thing I've found looking this car over, taking the pictures and doing the video for you. All right, look at the interior. Check out the options here. Power windows, power locks. Steering wheel controls. Steering wheel controls do work. Tried those out. Windshield wipers worked. Trunk release button underneath the dash worked. AM/FM CD player is also in working order, so I haven't really come across anything not working like it should. Power seat. Driver's side also working correctly. I want to show you the seat too. Is a, let me get back away. It is a darker gray. This lighting, when I get right on top of it, there we go. If I get back here, that's very similar to the color that seat will look in person. And as I come up to it, you're going to see that it kind of washes it out some. That right there. But it is a little darker gray. Cloth interior. And you can see it does not look like a bunch of wear marks, rips or tears. Take a look at the top of the dash. Not sun-baked, cracked, checked, anything like that. There's your exact miles, 45,680. That is original. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that on. Here, steering does work. It's a nice interior. You can tell this car's been well taken care of. Stored indoors, no doubt about that, with the condition of the paint and the interior. Slip around to the back. Sounds like you'd expect from a low mile 3800. Nice running car. All right, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood popped. Let's check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Yeah, I tell you what, look at that hood liner. Again, doesn't look like it's really been driven in much spring climate weather at all. 3.8 liter, otherwise known as the 3800. Superb General Motors engine. Reliability and economy, great gas mileage. Look at the fluids even. Take a look at the coolant. It's nice and fresh. Very clean. Listen how smooth that runs. Great sounding engine. There you go. You're looking for a little inexpensive, maybe later model classic, if you will. Pushing that 23, 24-year-old range. 1998 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Z34. Only 45,000 and some odd miles on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.